Today you will start making your loom by folding your paper in half, marking your lines, and cutting on those lines. Fold your paper in half. Turn your paper in front of you like a laptop computer. Grab a ruler and a partner to make your stopping line. Write your name and class code below your stopping line. Slide your ruler to the top and mark 1-inch marks along the fold line. Go all the way up to 11 inches, but not at 12 inches. Slide to the bottom and do exactly the same thing. Now it's time to connect the dots. Make a line from the stopping line to the fold line. Take your time. Make sure you're working with your partner. One person holds, the other person draws. Turn your paper and get ready to cut. You will cut from the folded side all the way until you get to the stopping line. Make sure you go all the way to the stopping line, but don't go past it. Nice, smooth cutting. All done cutting, open and press. Today, you will weave your strips over and under to create a pattern. Gather your paper strips, also called your weft pieces. Start by going under, over, under, over, under, over, under, and over. Slide your piece down after you've done each strip. Get your next color and do the opposite. Going under and over and under and over till you reach the end of your loom. And again, slide it to the bottom. Gather your third piece and do the same pattern, going over and under and over and under till you reach the end. Slide it down. And because we're doing a 3-color pattern, you'll then restart your pattern. If you can't fit your last paper strip, work on sliding each piece or each strip down closer and closer to each other. This will give you a little bit more space at the top to get the last guy in there. All done. Double check your work by counting your strips. You should have 15. Open your bottle of glue and get started. You're going to put a small dot of glue under every other paper strip. You'll get the other paper strips when you flip it over to the back. Going down one side, going down the other side, making sure I not only glue, but I press. A dot and push, dot and push, dot and push, dot and push. I'm going to flip my loom like a pancake. And time to get ready to do the other side. Press and turn it to do your Sphinx arms, making sure everything is pressed before you begin to cut. You are going to cut right along the side of your loom. Try your best not to cut the loom, just the ends of your paper strips. Two adaptations for struggling students. One would be to limit the colors of weft pieces to 2 colors only. The second adaptation is to make marks or identifiable objects on your warp pieces. In this video, I used a star and a circle to indicate where the 2 different colors would go under. For example, I would tell the student to pick up a star and go under the stars with the green paper, and to pick up a circle to go under those pieces with an orange strip.